Good morning, students. You have learned many things in your previous classes, in art and craft classes, and now in your class 5th, you learned how to use ball pen, sketch pen, thick marker pen, and we will use a circle. Okay, there are three circles. You can see we'll use here ball pen, here sketch pen and thick marker pen, and you have to complete the circles like this. You have to complete the circles. Now at last you have to answer the question that which circle according to you is moving the faster. कौन सा ऐसा सर्कल है जिसे आपने बहुत फास्ट कंप्लीट कर लिया, एंड सेकेंड विच सर्कल अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज़ मूविंग द स्लोएस्ट, सबसे स्लो कौन सा सर्कल हुआ. चलिए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. आप सभी अपना नॉर्मल ब्लैक पेन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. यहाँ आप स्केच पेन यूज़ करेंगे एंड हियर यू विल यूज़ थिक मार्कर पेन. ओके, नाउ टेक वन ब्लैक पेन, start drawing. Like this you have to draw. Okay, now second line. Beta, start drawing. Okay, likewise you have to complete the circle. Now you will use one sketch pen for this. Okay, like this you have to draw. Don't move your hand, only your hand will be like this. Okay, and you have to move like this. Now you have to complete this circle with your pen. I have given you example and I have shown you here with sketch pen and ball pen. Now I will show you thick marker pen. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay. Okay, you can see here. So as you can see that I have completed this three circles. Okay, the way that I have shown you, I have completed this. Now you have to answer the questions that which circle according to you is moving the faster. When you are completing these circles, then which circle according to you आपने क्या देखा कि कौन सा सर्कल जल्दी आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया, इज़ मूविंग द फास्टर किसने कंप्लीट किया, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज़ मूविंग द स्लोवेस्ट किसने बहुत जल्दी स्लो रेट में उसने किया. सो फास्टेस्ट किसने किया, थिक मार्कर पेन, एंड स्लोवेस्ट बहुत स्लो कौन सा सर्कल कंप्लीट हुआ, बॉल पेन. ओके, सो this is enough for your first art and craft class. Now we will meet in our next art and craft class.